Video, I'm just going to show you how you can record a TikTok live stream. So once you on your TikTok, I'm just going to show you, this is my TikTok, one of my TikTok accounts. So let's say you are on this TikTok account and you want to record a live stream. So I'm just going to go to the home section. So this is just how we're going to go to the live, and let's say so let's say I want to record this particular live stream you just saw right there. How can you do this? Is going to be simple. I'm just going to show you. I will return to the live stream that I'm currently recording right now for you guys to see. So this is it. I'll click on it back. So this is the live stream I want to record right now. So what you're going to do is this. I'm just going to return it back so that you guys will understand what I'm hear me properly. So if you pull down from here, let's say you pull down your phone, you're going to use the phone screen recorder to record your live stream. You can't see it right now. So I'm just going to stop this. You can't see the screen recorder right now because I'm currently using the screen recorder to record this particular tutorial. The other thing you can do instead of this is for you to download a live stream recording app. But most phones out there can actually do this, what I'm explaining right now, by just pulling down the screen and click on screen recording, and that will be it. So if you have any issues or challenges getting this particular tutorial, you can just hit me up in the comment section. But like I said, I'm just going to run it through one more time for you guys to understand. So let's say you on your app right now, this is your TikTok, and you want to record a live stream. So you're just going to go home section. Then you go to your live. Once you click on that, the top left, on your top left, so once you click on it, you should see this. So let's say you're already recording now. You're just going to pull down from the top like you're going to the menu section of your phone. Once you pull down, you're definitely going to see a screen recorder if your phone is one of the advanced Android phones or iPhones. Most iPhones can do this. So once you see the screen recorder, all you just need to do is to tap on it and you start recording whatever you are playing from your phone, and any background sound from your environment that moment is going to be recorded also. So once you're done with this, you're just going to click the end button at top right there and you end your recording, and you have your live stream recorded. You can use it for anything. So I hope this video helped you. If you did, let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.